In the heart of the wild, nature surprises us with the most unexpected friendships. Meet Kiko, the mischievous monkey, and Max, the loyal stray dog. Their story is one of adventure, trust, and a bond that defies the rules of the animal kingdom. But how did this unlikely duo come to be? Let's find out. It all started with a simple gesture, a fruit tossed from the trees. Max, a stray, had long searched for companionship, and Kiko, playful and fearless, saw a friend in the making. What followed was a bond no one could have predicted. Despite their differences, Kiko and Max became inseparable. They played, explored, and protected each other. Max's sharp senses warned Kiko of danger, while Kiko's agility helped them find hidden food sources. Their bond was not just adorable, it was essential for survival. Kiko and Max were not alone in their unusual friendship. Across the wild, another incredible duo existed, a lion named Aslan and a zebra named Zuri. In a world where survival meant predator against prey, these two defied the laws of nature. Their bond was built not on instinct, but on trust. But could such a fragile friendship last? One fateful day, their friendship was tested. A rival lion saw Zuri as nothing more than his next meal. Would Aslan give in to his instincts or protect his friend? With a powerful roar, Aslan stood his ground. Zuri was not prey, Zuri was family. If a monkey and a dog, a lion and a zebra can be friends, why not a bird and a cat? Meet Coco and Whiskers, two creatures whose friendship proves that nature's rules are meant to be rewritten. Even natural enemies can choose peace over conflict. But why do such friendships happen? Scientists believe it comes down to empathy, social intelligence, and sometimes a simple need for companionship. Animals, like us, seek bonds that bring comfort and protection. These relationships may seem strange, but they teach us a powerful lesson about love and trust. Nature is full of wonders, but perhaps the most incredible of all is the power of friendship. These unlikely duos remind us that differences don't have to divide us. If a monkey and a dog, a lion and a zebra, a cat and a bird can find common ground, so can we. Love and friendship know no boundaries. In a world rich with diversity, it's heartening to remember that kindness and trust can bridge any divide. Animals often form unexpected bonds, relying on each other for survival and companionship. If they can do it, imagine the profound connections we humans, endowed with intelligence and empathy, can cultivate. The Bible offers inspiring examples of such friendships. Take David and Jonathan. Despite potential rivalries, their bond exemplified unwavering loyalty and trust. Jonathan, recognizing David's destined path, supported him selflessly, even when it meant sacrificing his prospects. Their story teaches us true friendship transcends personal gain and is rooted in genuine love and understanding. Reflecting on these lessons, let's ask ourselves, what friendships have we nurtured today? Have we reached out, offered support, or shared a moment of joy with someone? I invite you to share your remarkable friendship stories in the comments. Your experiences could inspire others to forge deeper connections. If this message resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next inspiring tale. Together, let's foster a world filled with love, friendship, trust, and understanding. Thank you for being a part of this journey.